My name is Patrick. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Yama Vans. The reason we can reliably and repeatedly deliver these vans to our customers is a unique combination of our build philosophy as well as our processes internally. Our build philosophy really is our foundation for all of the decisions we make regarding our product and our design. This build philosophy is really just a simple series of 6 questions. Is it durable? Is it versatile? Is it functional? Is it as simple as possible? Is it beautiful? And is it serviceable? Not only does it have to be functional and practical and useful in its application, but it has to be beautiful at the same time, remain very simple, and also be very serviceable. These processes really start with our design. So we have a 5-step co-design process.
The first step of our design process is the requirements call, where we meet with the clients and just get a deep understanding of what their wants, their needs, and their vision for their business. The next phase is the design consult, where the clients come in and meet with us. We present to them our recommended model, as well as what available upgrades they can choose from. Step 3 is our 3D renderings, where we give the clients views of the interior and the exterior of the van. Step 4 is the estimate phase, where the clients go through item by item what is going to be included in their van. The last step of our design process is the technical design, where we create all the drawings and technical schematics that the production teams need in order to build the vans.
From this design process, we move into our production process. This is a 6-phase production process. The way we design this is to be able to reliably have an input of design, go through our 6 phases of production, and have an output that is exactly as designed, on time and on budget.
So we manage production in a 6-phase build process. It starts with what we call phase 0, which is really the pre-production phase, where we make sure that we have all of the supplies and materials and the logistics and the project plan in order to make sure that production is as smooth as possible when we get the van into the shop. Phase 1 is what we call the shell and automotive phase, where we install all of the automotive upgrades and the off-road accessories, as well as prepare the shell of the vehicle for the cabinet install. Phase 2 is where the bulk of the cabinet work takes place. That includes cabinet assembly and install, as well as all the interior paneling. Phase 3 is the mechanical and electrical phase, where we install our off-grid systems, which includes the electrical system and the plumbing and heating system. Phase 4 is the finishing phase, where we finalize all of the interior finishings and we make sure all of the specifics of the van are included and the van is ready for delivery. The final step is the completion phase, which is where we perform a thorough quality testing process and make sure that everything is up to standard before we deliver the van.
Following our production process is our 3-level support process. We recognize that when we hand the keys over to the client, a lot of our work is complete and their journey is just starting. And that journey can be a little intimidating. It's a new vehicle, it's a complex vehicle, and we want to make sure we can support them fully throughout their entire journey.
Delivery day is pretty special here at Yama. The entire team gathers around the build that we're going to deliver to the client, and we sign our name on the back of one of the wall panels. This is just a symbol of taking pride in the work that we do and sending the van off with good luck for our clients. At Yama, we have a 3-step support process with our clients. Step 1 is really about enabling them and educating them on how to use this off-grid vehicle. We do this by supplying them with a series of resources that help them be confident when they're off-grid and learning how to use their van. The second level is our dedicated client experience team. This team is here really to ensure that our clients feel supported and can get in touch with us with any questions or concerns. The third level, our support process, is our technical support. So this is when we would bring in somebody from our build team or bring in the client's vehicle to Yama HQ to help them with anything that they needed service or support on. And we also have partner shops that we work with across North America who can be that technical expertise if we're not available. When the client comes to pick up their van at delivery day, we spend about 2 to 3 hours walking them through how to use all of the systems and components within their van. After delivery day, we send them off on a 2 to 3 day field test of their own just to get comfortable with the van and test out all the systems, make sure they understand how it all works, and then we get them to come back to Yama HQ for a quick retorque and to answer any of the questions that came up in their inaugural field test.
At the end of the day, we have a lot of respect for our clients and their decision to work with us. We recognize that this is a significant investment, not only in money, but also in time. We also recognize that this is a relationship. This is certainly not a transaction. For us, this relationship is not only about a year for the design and production, but it's years after that as well.